Hey everybody. Oh, why I did that. Doug Rucker here with DougRuckerStore.com and DougRuckerSchool.com. Hey, I'm talking about sludge sucker fittings today. Had a viewer ask a question. I think it was yesterday or day before, but anyway. Gonna go over a couple of fittings you can use to adapt this to make it work a little easier. Coming up next. Okay guys, when you get your sludge sucker, it comes with a 3/8 male pipe thread plug. That's the male pipe thread, and that's the plug in. And so it comes like this, and most guys, you know, bend down, put a ball valve on it, or change this fitting to where it's a coupler, different kind of adaptations that you can do. But I thought I'd show you first how I do it. It's just a way that I did it real quick one day because it's based on parts that I had available. But what you're trying to do is get this to where you can use a wand, and you can put a gun and a wand on it, and you can stand up where you don't have to bend down in the water that you're trying to suck out. By the way, this is a sludge sucker. You put this down into a big puddle of water or a barrel or a pool, a jacuzzi, whatever, and using your pressure washer, putting your 1/4" fitting from your gun on here or your ball valve, it'll suck this water out really fast, and will work for sludge, mud, all that kind of stuff. You have to be careful of not getting too large of a stick or stone or something lodged in there, because it can cause it to stop working. But it's got a nozzle in here that creates a vacuum effect that vacuums the water, sludge, all that kind of stuff out. So what I did was I basically took a 3/8 male pipe thread coupler, and then I took a 3/8 to 1/4" reducing hex bushing. I just call it a 3/8 to 1/4 reducer thingamajig. And then I put a plug on the other end. This is what it looks like, all taped up and everything. And so I can put that on there, and then I can use my gun and wand extension, however long you want to make it, and simply put this down over that, pull the trigger, and now I can stand where this is at and operate it and suck all the water out of the puddle or the low-lying area, wherever you're using it. Another way you could do it, if you didn't want to go through all that, again, I just had parts on hand a couple years ago. That's what I used. You can get a 3/8 to 1/4" reducing fitting like this. Put that on in there. This is a brass one. I would use brass because you're not dealing with any type of chemicals usually that's going to affect us too much. But you can put that in there, and then you can put a female pipe thread 1/4" plug in there, and then you can put this like that. Okay, so there's various ways you can do it. You can also get just a regular hex bushing. I don't have that size, but we're going to get them. But this is a 3/8 female thread pipe in here. So all you would have to do is get a 3/8 male pipe thread, reducing bushing like this. This is what we use on hose reels and stuff like this to get our fittings in. But this would be 3/8, and you could go down to 1/4", and then that would screw into there, and you could actually just put this fitting into here, and so it would kind of look like that. So different ways you can do it. The main thing that you're trying to do is you're getting from 3/8 here to 1/4", okay? Because this fitting that it comes with is a 3/8 fitting. So all you're trying to do is just reduce down from this 3/8 female pipe thread in here down to a 1/4" fitting. And there's just various different ways that you can do it, but hopefully I've given you a couple ideas that you can get it done pretty quickly. We have these fittings that we can sell. We have these fittings, 3/8 like this, the way I did it here. If you wanted to go with that, at the DougRuckerStore.com, you could get those. And that's going to be a pretty easy way to do it. Okay, and so that will allow you to use your gun and a wand and stand up, so you're not having to bend over into a puddle or sludge or whatever you're trying to suck out, and just make it work a whole lot easier. So just think, I got to get from 3/8 to 1/4 inch, and just if you don't know the names of the fittings, just go up to Home Depot or Lowe's. They probably will have something. If not, leave me a question or comment in the section down below, and I'll help you find one or send you the link to where you can get one for us. So I hope this has helped you guys. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and ask any questions that I can help you with. Okay, thanks. Y'all have an awesome day. Hey, before I go, I know I said y'all have a great day or whatever, but hey, before I go, don't forget, I've got an awesome online video school for you guys that are just starting out, or maybe you already started out and you're heading towards winter time and it's going to start slowing down. This would be a great time to drastically cut your learning curve by joining that online video school. It's only like $449. There's over 250 some odd videos, roof cleaning classes, you've got house washing, you've got concrete cleaning, plant protection, and then just a ton of other videos with me out on job sites, customer interviews, selling, cleaning, all kinds of stuff, okay? Price is going up first of the year, so you want to make sure you get in now, because if you do, that's a one-time price that you pay. You get access to every video that's there, as well as every video that I post in the future. So it's not like a membership or you got to keep paying every month and all that kind of stuff, just one fee. So seriously take a look at that, because I think it'll really help you guys that are just starting out or been in the business probably 3 years or less. It can definitely help you. The other thing is, don't forget, we've got an open house coming up this Saturday, November 13th, 2021 at from 11 to 2. We're going to be serving lunch. Got some barbecue we're going to be doing with the smoker out here. Got some demos. If y'all want to see some equipment stuff, I'll fire up my equipment and show you stuff. But Deco Products, Steve Venturi and Mark Tuliano will be here showing you how to seal flagstone, concrete, pavers, stuff like that. So that'll be a great learning opportunity. We're not here to try to sell you stuff Saturday. We just want to simply meet and greet you and talk shop. If you want to buy something, that's fine. That's great. Got a bunch of stuff I'll be giving away. Got some stuff used stuff we might be selling. I don't know. Haven't decided on all that kind of stuff, but it's mainly just to, meet and greet folks. So we've done some remodeling in the store to make it a little bit easier to come in and shop. So y'all come on out, meet me, meet my wife. Laura, I think, is going to be here for a little bit. Edwin from next door, who does all the builds and our repairs, and our service guy, and the father of the great oil that we use, he'll be here too. So come on by, 11 to 2, 25432 Loop 494, Porter, Texas. We are your Houston area pressure washing and supply store, located right here in Porter, right outside of Kingwood, Texas. So come on out and join us. I think somebody just walked in. It's my wife. Come on up, wife. I'm doing a video. This is my wife. She's working with us full time now.
Good morning.
Good morning. This is a YouTube.
Oh, okay. Hi, YouTube world.
So, but anyway, come out and join us. You guys have an awesome day. We'll talk to you soon. I gotta find out what she wants. Might be in trouble.